ArcGIS. Let's start our lectures on the software ArcGIS. The lectures are going to be divided into four different parts. The first part is going to be understanding and setting up ArcGIS. In this part we will learn about introduction to ArcGIS, understanding the user interface, and setting up units and coordinates, because that's important when you're working with a software related to GIS, which includes different parts of the world, which includes coordinates and different units. So we need to know how to set up the coordinates and units first and how to start working on that, right? So we'll understand that. In the second part, then we'll dig into the software and we will start working on some vector data, and we'll try to understand the vector data. We'll try to create different points, lines, shape files, and styling, labeling, customizing them, and perform different other functions with them. And at the end, we will also try to export the data and also look at our data in Google Earth Pro. The part 3 will be dealing with the raster data in the ArcGIS, which is also an important part of this software. So we'll be also working with some raster data, and we'll try to relate it to the vector data as well, because both are going to be related, and we will perform different functions and different things with raster data, right? And also we'll at the end make a map from whatever we have worked on, right? So we need to represent our results on a map. We need to represent it in the form of a proper title, having the scale, and maybe different labeling if you want to, right? So we need to know how to make a map from whatever we have worked on. In the last part, which is the fourth part, we will be working on a realistic project. Like, we'll just take some coordinates and we'll take a realistic, like some sort of a watershed or catchment area, and we'll try to find it. And in finding that, we will be performing all the steps from beginning to the end on that assignment. And once you understand all of these things, so I think you'll be good to go to perform different projects on ArcGIS. So let's start this, and we'll be uploading different videos on every part. And I hope that the playlist of the ArcGIS on my channel, you can search it, you can subscribe it, and you can see the playlist, and you can be I think the titles will be helpful for you to understand that which part of the video this is and which video ABC it is, right? So I will be trying my best to name the videos in a way that you can understand that it's the part 2, part 3, part 4, and which video A, B, C, D, or E, right? So let's start. So we'll meet in the next video, and we'll be starting with the introduction to the ArcGIS. So let's continue the process from the next video. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video.